Silky just released something they'll never make again. Hey everyone, Nico here with GentsFrame. This is Silky Gomboy Curve Outback KURO, their 40th anniversary limited edition. Here it is. This is the packaging it arrives in. The Gomboy model, which was first introduced in 1985, turned 40 years old. To celebrate this milestone, Silky Souls created a limited edition model. It's called KURO, which means black in Japanese. The model is in limited production of 9400 units, and each one is numbered on the blade. Alright, let's open the box because I can't wait to see what's inside. This is my first folding saw from this legendary brand. A disclaimer that I purchased this saw with my own money and the opinion I'm expressing is completely unbiased. There is an all-black hard plastic case that matches the tactical aesthetic perfectly. Before we examine it, we also see some awesome stickers dedicated to this model. Back to the case, it has a hinge clamshell design that protects both the blade and you during transport. The case has belt attachment capability, making it easy to carry on your hip or attach it to your backpack. Here it looks like there is a quick belt attachment. It attaches only from the top. And this is the clasp where we will peek inside. Something's not working. Oh, apparently this also acts like some kind of locking mechanism. We need to unclip it to open the lid. Apparently, if we wear it on our belt, there's no way to open and use it very quickly. We have to go through a process. Here it is. Finally we can see it. What do we have here? Some paper, which we will review later. Now, let's see the details that make this so unique. The Gomboy model, positioned centrally with text that says it's made in Japan. Black on black makes this saw looks really special. On the other side, we will see more labels of the model and the brand. Here we can already see on the blade itself the limited edition KURO. Doubts are already arising whether I would actually use this diamond. Let's open it carefully. I don't even want to leave fingerprints on the blade. We see a blade with a length of 24 cm or 9.5 inches, height of 37 mm or 1.46 inches. The handle length is 27 cm or 10.6 inches. It's made of very special material called Arbor Composite grip. This means a 70% wood powder blend with composite materials. Primary features of this material are warm, comfortable feel, unlike cold metal or hard plastic, excellent grip in wet, greasy or cold conditions. The blade steel type is SK4 high carbon steel, a premium Japanese steel. Coating type is black oxide with matte finish, non-reflective flat black. This provides the blade with exceptional corrosion protection, wall glare for tactical hunting applications, enhanced wear resistance, rust protection in all environments. The coating covers the entire blade including the teeth. The open length is 50 cm or 19.7 inches. The curved design naturally holds position in wood with more aggressive cutting action on pull strokes. The blade thickness is 1.4 mm or 0.055 inches with curve at 1.4 mm. Teeth configuration is 8 teeth per 30 mm or teeth per inch is 6.8 dpi. Two very special tooth technologies are used. Mirai Mi, aka teeth of the future, provides 4 cutting angles along the blade length, smooth cutting action, rip cut, cross cut and slant cut capable, leave smooth surface after cutting. While the second technology, called Gokai Mi teeth, which is specific to KURO or Outback versions, provides scraper-shaped teeth design, efficiently clears sawdust, top performance in rip, cross and slant cuts, optimization for aggressive cutting. Impulse hardening is applied to the teeth, so they are heated instantly and hardened. This means they will stay sharp 3 times longer than the non-hardened teeth. It's indicated where we need to press to be able to close the saw. This means it has a spring-loaded blade lock, or in the other words, thumb lever release. At the moment, I've locked it in the first position. But what you can see is there is also a second hole for another position. When pressed again, I can continue the movement and achieve another angle of the blade use. This is what the overall shape looks like. The second notch offers the possibility to saw on flat surface while keeping your knuckles away and allow you to utilize the full length of the blade to handle. We change positions and close it. Closed length is 27 cm or 10.6 inches. The weight of the saw is 290 grams or 10.2 ounces. It has a maximum diameter cutting capacity of 12 cm or 5 inches. There is a flexible soft core for durability. You can see how easy it is to bend it. Okay guys, let's sum up what we have. Limited edition collectible 40th anniversary never reproduced. All black tactical design, wall glare, non-reflective finish. Exceptional corrosion protection, black oxide coating. Superior grip, Arbor Composite handle, 70% wood powder. On the negative side are the premium price, more expensive than the standard Gomboy. Black coating might show wear over time with heavy use. Large teeth only, it's not ideal for fine finish work. That's the Silky Gomboy KURO, limited edition, professional grade and already a collector's item. If you are into high quality tools, this one's worth checking it out before they are gone. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews. What's your go-to folding saw? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.
Steel toes on the concrete, grease stains on my blue jeans. Got a workbench full of grade A steel, every bolt, every blade, that's me. I don't chase cheap shine, I want scars in a lifetime. If it breaks when the job gets mean, I send it packing down the line. I burn my cash on pretty lights.